Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Mount Pleasant FA are through to the semi-finals of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup following their third consecutive victory in Group A on Tuesday night at the Hazley Crawford Stadium in Trinidad. Mount Pleasant blanked hosts Central FC 2-0. Following a 0-0 first half, Raheem Edwards put Mount Pleasant ahead in the 51st minute. Siobhan Walsh added his name to the scoresheet when he got Mount Pleasant second in the 90th minute. With the win, Mount Pleasant, who are yet to concede a goal, moved to the top of the standings on 9 points. Jamaica's under-21 Sunshine Girls suffered their first loss of the Netball Youth World Cup after going down 64-33 to England. The Young Roses led from start to finish, leading after the end of the first quarter 18-9. The lead was stretched from 9 to 19 points after the first half with a 36-17 scoreline. It became a 21-point lead after the third quarter. That lead was maintained in the fourth, with England getting their fourth straight win of the campaign. They are now the outright leaders of Pool C with 8 points, while Jamaica remains second on 6. And finally, former Jamaica and West Indies players Jerome Taylor and Nikita Miller continue to get high-level opportunities in the West Indies coaching infrastructure. West Indies coach Darren Sammy, who will be with the test team in India, also weighed in on Miller and Taylor's presence on the Nepal touring coaching staff.
Who will be working with Otis Gibson, and Jerome Taylor could get all the knowledge he wants, so when he comes back, he could, impact that knowledge, that technical knowledge, or in our players around the region or in Jamaica.
I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.